Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily delete all screenshots on your iPhone at once. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, write your comments at the end of the video, and also be sure to put your likes. So let us get started with you. And please open up the gallery on your iPhone. And then, in order to find all the screenshots at once, select them, scroll down to the bottom, where you'll find the Screenshots section. And if you click on it, you will see all the screenshots that have been taken on this phone of yours that you are using. And then, in order to delete them all, you're gonna have to press Select. Then select All in the left corner. In this way, you select all the screenshots that you have at once. After that, you click on the trash can sign at the bottom. And next, you just need to confirm the action. Thus, as you can see, deleted all screenshots at once. And you can do the same thing with absolutely any folders. For example, delete all your selfies at once, delete all your videos at once, delete all your live photos or absolutely all photos. If you go to your Photos section, you can also select all photos and then delete them all. Friends, this is the very simple way you can delete all your screenshots on iPhone in one go. I hope this video was useful for you. Write comments, put your likes, and see you soon.